This is Miss Jess from the Pequannock Library, and today we have a back to school story time. So we're going to be reading this adorable book called Beach Toys vs. School Supplies. And speaking of school supplies, while supplies last, you can come and pick up your very own school supplies bag. So stay tuned for after the book, where I will give you a little sneak peek into what you get in this cute little pencil case. So, beach toys versus school supplies. One day that would be remembered as the big showdown, Shovel was lying on the beach, minding his own business when a strange shadow blocked the sun. He looked up and saw Ruler. Shovel shook his head. He must have sand in his eyes. But no, it was his smart aleck old rival, making his mark on Shovel's beach. "What are you doing here?" asked Shovel. "Working," Ruler replied. "School starts next week. I wanted to survey my skills." "You school supplies are all the same," Shovel said, getting a dig in. "Work, work, work. When do you have any fun?" Ruler rolled his eyes and checked the height of a lifeguard chair. "Fun is overrated. Learning is far superior to playing silly beach games. School rules. Get it?" Because he's a ruler. School rules. "You think you're pretty clever," Shovel huffed. "Why don't we settle this once and for all with a contest, a sandcastle building contest?" Ruler jumped up and inched over. "Just what I was hoping you'd say." He called to his friends, "Hey everybody, we've got ourselves a showdown." The beach toys watched as the rest of the school supplies made their way down the boardwalk. "We're going to totally deflate them," said Beach Ball. "Don't hold your breath," said Swim Mask. "Maybe they have some skills." "Not a chance," Shovel said with a laugh. "We're going to bury them." Get it? Because he's a shovel. They're going to bury them. "Sounds like you could use my help," said Whistle. The beach toys and school supplies gathered around. "Whee!" blasted the referee. "You'll have just 1 hour to build your sandcastles. Now it's best to consider the location because of the..." Yeah, we know what we're doing," Scissors cut in. Scissors cut in, get it? "Thanks, Tweety." Whistle blew off the rude comment. "Let the contest begin." The beach toys scouted a location far from the school supplies and far from the water. Then they started doing what they did best. Hoe and rake flattened out the sand. Shovel dug the moat while Bucket fetched water. Castle and her kids went to town building, well, a town. There they are. The whole time they worked, the beach toys laughed, told jokes, and sang songs. The school supplies, on the other hand, were completely silent. Like they were studying or something. This made Shovel nervous. He wanted to take a peek at how their castle was coming along, but he knew that he should keep his eye on his own work. As the sun rose higher in the sky, the beach toys scurried to add their final touches. Shovel thought the castle looked fantastic. It might have been their best work of the whole summer. Look at that. Wow. He was sure they had won the contest, so when Whistle tweeted that time was up, Shovel started cheering before he even turned around and saw... Gasp! Maybe their best wasn't good enough after all. "Behold our castle of classrooms," said Scissors, a real cut-up. "A palace of learning," pointed out Pencil. "We've gobbled up a thing or two about construction from the library," said Lunchbox. Take note, shouted Index Card. Ruler towered over Shovel. I think it's clear who stands out today, he said. Shovel sank into the sand. Why couldn't he have kept his big mouth shut? For once, he just wanted to prove that beach toys could outsmart school supplies. But he had failed. Tweet, tweet! Whistle sounded the alarm. Unfortunately, your school supplies don't want to hear the #1 rule of sandcastle building. Don't build too close to the water. Sure enough, the tide had turned. Waves were creeping closer and closer. The winner's masterpiece was doomed. Dun, dun, dun. Ruler and the school supplies panicked and lined up in front of that castle, which was a terrible idea. Notebook would get waterlogged, pencil would be erased, and glue would never be able to stick to her position. Maybe we should lend a hand, Bucket suggested. Are you kidding, Shovel said. Why should we help them? Everyone looked at him. He was the master moat digger after all. Fine, mumbled Shovel, but the only way we have a chance is if we all work together. Do you think they're going to be able to save that castle from the water? Have to work really hard and really fast. Shovel led his beach toys to the front line, where they showed their rivals what to do. As high tide approached, everyone got busy digging a moat and building their defenses as fast as they could. The waves didn't stand a chance. They washed harmlessly against the walls and into the moat. The water drained away safely. Hooray, everyone cried. So they all worked together to build this moat here so that the water didn't get to the castle. Good teamwork. This time, it was Ruler's turn for a change of heart. That was some quick thinking, Shovel, he admitted. You and your friends really measure up. And we really dig your castle, Shovel said. I guess you do know how to let loose and have fun after all, in your own way. We do, said Ruler, but it was even more fun when we did it together. Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Shovel smiled. They both shouted the same thing. Recess! Yay! With their rivalry forgotten, the day of the big showdown turned into a beach party, celebration of new friendships that would last for countless school years and summers to come. The end. What a cute book. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for. School supplies. So you get this lovely little pencil case here. Zip. Some things in here are one of these really important erasers, a glue stick, a dry erase marker, ooh, some safety scissors. What else do I see in here? A bookmark. I see stickers. I see a ruler, a pencil sharpener, 2 pencil sharpeners, a pencil. I see a lollipop. There's so much good stuff in here. So make sure you come to the library, to the kids department, while supplies last. Get it? Supplies? We hope to see you soon.